Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing Adopt Me, but this is a little twist. So let's see what people can offer for a neon cat. So I have a neon cat in Adopt Me. I traded it for someone overpaid, and he said he asked for a big gift, and I gave him a big gift. He traded me a neon cat. So I named the neon cat Bobby. I added a lot of pet wares to it, so yeah. Let's get into it. I wonder what offers we can get for a neon cat. No one's gonna probably think of the neon cat, so I'm just gonna say who wanna offer for a neon cat, or ABC if you wanna offer for a neon cat. So here's Bobby. Wonderful, right? Hello, Bobby. Wanna go? I'm not gonna actually trade you away. Let's see. Maybe we're gonna end up trading with him away, but hopefully we can get some good offers. I'm not gonna trade you, Bobby. Let's go see these good offers. Oh, look, she has a tiara. I don't know if it's a girl or boy. Let's name it Drippy. Drippy. Hi, Drippy. Oh, playground? I'm sorry, I cannot do that. What are you talking? Of course. I'm gonna get a coffee cup. This is my house. I have this. It's Twinkle. First it goes to Reborn, now it's Twinkle. Cool. Let's go playground. The closest we can get is let's go food. This is the closest. No. Oh, I forgot. It's gonna not Ramsay's Pizza. Okay. What is near? Vehicle. Vehicle is kind of near. I just TP around the place. If it's like food, you wanna chill or feel thirsty, I'm going to my place. Okay, I think it's the playground somewhere here. I have the GPS on me, so it's gonna navigate me to where the playground is. Oh yes. Bobby! I forgot I named him Drippy. Let's just search cats. Yep. That's Drippy. What is that? You. Friend. And by the way, I actually hatched a shark from the ocean egg. I traded away for an octopus, and I traded the octopus for 2 metal oxes. So wait, I traded away from 2 metal oxes, an ocean egg, and a fossil egg. So that's 4 legendaries, and I hatched the fossil egg. I got a Tasmanian tiger, and I hatched the ocean egg, which I already told you it was the shark. So I think Drippy is having a great time. Drippy, Bobby. Okay, it's time to trade you away. I'm not gonna actually trade you out. Let's go see what offers we can get, Drippy. Don't worry. Okay, let's see what we can get. It's not Australian Cowpea. Let's see. Drippy. Cat. There it is, my neon cat. ABC to offer for neon cat. Okay, Drippy. No one is responding. Let's see. Who wanna offer for Neon Cat? Who wanna offer for Neon Cat? Let's see. No. Stop it. I don't think the right trading for Mega Neon Red Squirrel. I wish I had. That's my dream bag. Mega Neon Red Squirrel. Let's see. Offer for Neon Cat. So hard. No one wants a Neon Cat. Who wanna offer for Neon Cat? Can someone offer? Wanna offer for Neon Cat? I'm gonna get a rub in the face. Oh, I think they're not looking at the chat. Look! No, shove it in the face. Just trade this away. I don't think it's worth it, but good offer. So, yeah. For Neon. So hard. Because these people are so blind. Someone offer. Offer for Neon Cat. Neon Cat. Are you serious? What? Oh, Pepe. No, guys. Okay, so far we have 2 trades. So, ABC to offer for. Neon Cat. Oh. That's the only trade we're gonna get today. 2 trades. Well, everyone will know 1 trade. But let's go over my pets. Let's count all of them. I have a lot of pets now. 3 Tasmanian tigers. So 6 stingrays. Plus 2 I have there. So that's about 11 pets. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I lost count already. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. So about like almost 70 pets, guys. So we're gonna end the video here. Hope you all enjoyed this video. See you guys in the next video. 3 likes for more Dobby and Roblox.